Hello and welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. I've just kind of been banging out the videos back to back just so I kind of have a backlog. I've been super busy trying to get ready for Paris, and I don't know, things have just been crazy around these parts, so I'm super happy that I have a backlog of videos to put up. Paris vlogs are right around the corner, and if you're not aware, I do have a giveaway going on. It's a 2-part giveaway. Please do not forget to sign up for those. I am looking forward to picking winners when I get back from Paris and shipping out these prizes. So today I have for you Basic Man, and this subscription is $19.99 a month, $19.97 a month, $20, somewhere around the $20 mark, and it's just essentials for the man. I get one for my husband, I get one for my son. I only unbox one because we found out on a past video that it's exactly the same color scheme or whatnot, but they get a pair of socks, an undershirt, and a pair of underwear. So let's get into it. Ooh, okay. So the first thing I'm pulling out are the socks. Those are so cute. And I found that these socks are really nicely made as well. So there is that. That's some pretty sticky tape. Okay. The next thing I am pulling out is the t-shirt. And this month's t-shirt is a very light green color. I think that that is a really nice color. And also, if you haven't seen one of these videos before, the shirts and the underwears do have a destroyed by date. I don't know if you can really see that or not because of the coloring, but I think that that is a nice little added touch so people know when to throw away their nasty underwear. And the last thing is the underwear, and they are just a nice gray, and they do have a lining in them. And these underwear are so comfortable per my husband. I mean, my son doesn't really say whether they are or they aren't, but my husband does find them very comfortable. So if I have a code, that'll be down below. I honestly can't remember if I do or I don't, but I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Have a great day. Bye.